Okay, this is the 35 watt version light with infrared remote control, and it's pretty bright actually. At the moment it's just on smooth transition. You'll just go through all the colours. Or you can select your own. You've got red, green, blue, orange, purple, and you can alter the brightness. That's on full at the moment, so you can take it right down and then back up again. Okay, cycle through the colours again. Or we can have it cycling very smooth, which will be a slow transition. And then you got 2 mode effects. And I'll cycle through certain colours very slowly. Yeah, it's gone from green to blue, which is very slow. Then you got the other preset, which will be like red and purple. And it has got a built-in timer, so you can get it to come on each night for a certain amount of hours. So, there's the cat. If you press it once, that will come on for an hour tomorrow night, and again 2 hours, 3 hours, and if I'm happy with that, press on, and that's accepted it. So tomorrow night, if I turned it off now, then tomorrow night it would automatically come on at 9 o'clock for 3 hours, then go off. And there you go. Okay.